my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the body butters, the DIY homemade natural body butters that I'm sure many of us we do at home. It's very easy, convenient, natural, and it's really good on the skin. But there is one crucial point and one step that I can see so many of us, so many people basically, they are missing doing it, and well, they can come up with much nicer body butter at the end, but because they are missing this very important step, then you know they don't get the most out of their body butters. So it doesn't matter what kind of body butter you're just making at home, this step is always important to do in body butters. Usually you can either go and do the body butters like in the double boiler, where you are just melting the butters and then you just whip them, or you can just go for the cold process, where you just mix the carrier oil with the butter of your choice and then you just whip it. It doesn't matter which step and which procedure you're taking. The one step that I'm going to tell you to always do, it's very crucial and important for you to have the best body butter ever. So for instance, today we are going to make a simple cold process mango butter, and then I'm going to tell you what are that crucial step that all of us are missing. So from now on you can have always the best body butter ever in your own house. So let's go to the kitchen and I'll show you how to do it. In a big mixing bowl, add the shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and grapeseed oil. Remember, you can replace your liquid oils with anything else that you like avocado oil or argan oil or whatever that you like. Start beating in a mixer, or you can use a hand mixer until they all come together. Then add the vitamin oil in it, as well as your favorite aromatic essential oil, which in this case I'm using the lavender oil. Then start whipping until everything comes together. Now at this point I'm going to show you, if I use this body butter, it's gonna look so greasy and oily on my body, which I do not like. The step to remove the extra greasiness and oil from your homemade body butter is to introduce something to reduce the oil in your body butter basically, which the best thing is to use the Arrowroot Powder, which can dramatically reduce the extra oil in your homemade body butter and make it much nicer on your body. If you do not have access to Arrowroot Powder, you can substitute it with simple cornstarch. Also, I'm using allantoin powder, which is very good for softening the skin. So I recommend always to add in your body butter these two powders, which makes it to the whole new level. Remember, the link of purchasing all the ingredients that I introduced in this video is written at the description box of the video.